We are here, Max. This is the optician's shop.
It is very bright here. There are many glasses.
You need to check your eyes. You always squint.
My eyes are often tired. The computer screen is bright.
Technology is hard for eyes. We need a professional.
I am a bit nervous. Is the test difficult?
No, it is very easy. You just look at letters.
I see a big whiteboard. It has many rows.
Those are the test letters. They go from big to small.
I can see the top row. It is very clear.
But can you see the bottom? That is the question.
The bottom is very blurry. I see only black dots.
That is why we are here. Do not worry, Max.
The doctor is coming now. He has a white coat.
His name is Dr. Brown. He is a specialist.
Hello, Dr. Brown. I am Max. My eyes hurt.
Max works in an office. He uses a laptop daily.
I also read books at night. I love detective stories.
Reading in the dark is bad. It strains the eyes.
My lamp is small, but it is not enough.
The doctor wants you to sit. Put your chin here.
This machine is very strange. It has many lenses.
It measures your eye focus. Just stay very still.
I see a small house. It is in a field.
Now the house is blurry. Now it is sharp.
Yes, now I can see it. The colors are beautiful.
The machine is finished now. The doctor is writing.
What is the result, Anna? Do I need glasses?
Let us wait and see. The test continues.
I am ready for letters. Let us start reading.
Read the first line, Max. It is at the top.
That is easy. A, B, and C.
Now read the third line. It is a bit smaller.
D, E, F, and G. I am a master.
Wait, Max. Look at the fifth line.
H, P. No, is that an O? I am not sure.
It is a Q, Max. You are missing the details.
And the next letter is a square? No, a Z.
The doctor is changing the lens. Is it better now?
Wow, now it is very clear. It is a Z.
What about the very small line? Can you see it?
L, T, X, and V. I can read everything.
The lens makes a big difference. Your eyes are relaxed.
I feel much better. No more black dots.
The doctor is testing the left eye. Close your right.
The left eye is weaker. Everything is very fuzzy.
That is normal for many. One eye is often stronger.
The doctor adds a new lens. It is thick.
Is the world sharp now, Max? Look at the chart.
Yes, it is perfect. I can see every line.
You need glasses for reading and for the computer.
Will I look like a professor or a nerd?
You will look very stylish. Glasses are trendy.
I want some cool frames, maybe black or blue.
We will choose them together. There are many styles.
I like the round ones, like a famous wizard.
Or maybe square frames? They fit your face well.
I will try 10 different pairs. I want to be handsome.
The doctor is finished now. Let us go to the shelves.
I am excited to choose. Let us find the best ones.
Look at this shelf, Max. These are all designer frames.
This pair is very heavy. They are made of metal.
Try these plastic ones. They are very light and soft.
How do I look, Anna? Am I cool?
Those are too big, Max. You look like a pilot.
I like being a pilot, but maybe not for office.
Try these blue frames. The color matches your eyes.
They are nice, but they are very bright.
What about these classic black ones? They are very elegant.
They feel very comfortable. I like the shape.
They make you look smart, like a serious manager.
I want to be a smart manager. These are a favorite.
Wait, Try one more pair. These have a wooden style.
Wood? That is very interesting. Let me see.
They are very modern. Many people like them now.
They look a bit strange. I prefer the black ones.
Okay, black is a classic. You can wear them everywhere.
Can I have sunglasses too? The sun is very bright.
You can get prescription sunglasses. They are very useful.
That is a great idea. I need them for driving.
Let us find some cool sunglasses. Look at these.
These are very dark. I look like a secret agent.
Agent Max on a mission for health.
I will take the black ones and the secret agent ones.
That's 2 pairs. You are a serious customer.
My eyes deserve the best. I want to see clearly.
We must check the price. Quality is not free.
I have my credit card. It is a good investment.
The assistant is coming. She will measure the frames.
I'm ready for the final step. Let us finish this.
The assistant needs your pupils. Look at the light.
There is a small red light. I am looking.
This measure is for the lenses. They must be perfect.
The assistant is very precise. She uses a small ruler.
Precision is important for vision. 1 millimeter matters.
My nose is a bit crooked. Will the glasses sit straight?
She can adjust the pads. They are very flexible, Max.
She is bending the earpieces. Now they are tight.
Do they hurt your ears, or are they comfortable?
They feel very secure. I can jump and run.
Do not run in the shop. Be a calm adult.
I am just happy. I can see the world again.
The lenses have a special coating. It is anti-reflective.
Is that for the computer? To protect from blue light?
Yes, it stops the glare. Your eyes will not get tired.
That is exactly what I need. I work 8 hours.
You also need a case to keep them safe.
I want a hard case. I sometimes drop my things.
Here is a blue hard case. It is very strong.
I am putting my name on it. Property of Max.
You also get a cleaning cloth. It is very soft.
Can I use my t-shirt? It is also soft.
No, never use a t-shirt. It can scratch the lens.
Okay. Only the special cloth. I understand.
You must clean them every morning. Keep them shiny.
I will be very careful. They are my new eyes.
The order is ready. They will be finished in 3 days.
3 days? I want them. I am impatient.
Quality takes some time. They must make the lenses.
I will wait for my magic eyes. It is okay.
It is Friday, Max. Your glasses are ready today.
I am so happy. Let us go to the shop.
Here is the shop. Look, the assistant has your bag.
Hello again. I am here for my new vision.
Put them on, Max. Let us see the difference.
Oh my God, everything is 4K.
Is it that good? Can you see the clock?
I can see the numbers. I can see the small hand.
Look outside at the trees. Can you see the leaves?
I see every single leaf. The world is so detailed.
You were living in a fog, Max. Now the fog is gone.
I can see the dust on the floor. I need to clean.
Focus on the beauty, Max. Do not focus on dust.
Your face is so clear, Anna. You have small freckles.
Yes, I have. You never saw them before?
No, you were just a beautiful blur. Now you are perfect.
That is very sweet, Max. The glasses are a success.
They feel very light. I forget I am wearing them.
That is the sign of a good fit. They are part of you.
I want to read a book now. Let us go to a cafe.
We can go to our favorite cafe. They have big windows.
I will read the menu from far away, just for fun.
You are like a child with a new toy. It is funny.
Vision is not a toy, it is a superpower.
I am glad you are happy. Your health is improving.
Yoga, diet, running, and now glasses. I am a new Max.
You are the best version of Max. I am proud of you.
Let us go. I want to see the sunset today.
The sunset will be beautiful. The colors will be sharp.
I am ready for the world. Let us go, Anna.
How was your day with glasses, Max? Was it good?
It was amazing. I did not have a headache today.
That is great news. The eye strain is gone.
I worked at the computer for 6 hours. I feel fresh.
Did your colleagues say anything? Did they like them?
Everyone said I look professional. They like the frames.
I told you so. You are a stylish office man.
I also wore my sunglasses today. I felt like a star.
A star in the park. Did people ask for photos?
No, but I looked very cool in the mirror. That is enough.
I am happy you are comfortable. Vision is a gift.
I am more careful now. I do not touch the lenses.
Use the soft cloth every morning. Remember the rule.
I used it today. The lenses are perfectly clean.
Where do you keep the case? Near your bed?
Yes, on the nightstand. They are safe there.
We should celebrate your new eyes. Let us have dinner.
Can we go to the Italian place? I want to see the pasta.
You can see the pasta very well now.
I will see every piece of cheese. I am so hungry.
We can walk there. The evening air is very fresh.
I see the stars tonight. They are very bright.
Before, they were just blurry lights. Now they are stars.
Everything is better with you, Anna. You help me so much.
You help me too, Max. We are a great team.
Team Sharp Eyes. We see everything.
Let us enjoy the evening. No more squinting for you.
No more squinting. Only big, happy eyes.
I am ready for the pasta. Let's go.
I'm coming. I can see the restaurant from here.